In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headline. Serious efforts and investments underway to meet the country's electricity requirements. Turkish traders express interest in investing in Herat Industrial Park. And nearly 2 billion Afghanis in Islamic financial funding provided to farmers and livestock owners across the country. Welcome to the news package. It's Tuesday, the 16th of Rajab al-Marajab 1447, the 16th of Jadi 1404, and the 6th of January 2026. The news details. Maulavi Abdul Salam Hanafi, the Deputy Administrative Prime Minister, stated during the inauguration ceremony of the 22.75 megawatt Nangarhar solar power generation facility that serious efforts are underway to ensure the country's required electricity supply. Maulavi Hanafi added that in the past, Afghanistan had approximately 200 megawatts of electricity generation capacity. However, following the return of the Islamic Emirate, investment worth more than 1,200 megawatts of power generation were made in just 1 year. The Deputy Administrative Prime Minister also urged citizens to use electricity sparingly, considering the existing shortage in the country. A number of Turkish traders during a meeting with Sheikh Maulavi Islamjar, the governor of Herat, expressed their interest in investing in Herat Industrial Park and called for cooperation and provision of necessary facilities in this regard. The media office of Herat Governor's office stated that the governor welcomed the interest shown by the Turkish investors and assured them of full facilitation for investment. He also emphasized that the local administration is striving to create a favorable investment climate in order to promote economic growth, generate employment opportunities, and develop industry in the province. The news continuation. The Minister of Interior Affairs announced that construction work on a new administrative building for the border police in Badakhshan province airport has begun, with a total cost of 16.5 million Afghanis. During the ceremony marking the commencement of the project, Mullah Nik Muhammad Malang, the provincial police commander of Badakhshan, stated that alongside planning the implementing security measures, the provincial police leadership is also seriously pursuing development and construction initiatives. And ultimately, Mullah Hamdullah Fitrat, the deputy spokesperson of the Islamic Emirate, stated that during the past year, nearly 2 billion Afghanis in Islamic financial funding were provided to farmers, livestock owners, and the private sector. In accordance with Maulavi Fitrat, this funding was delivered through Murabiha, Cost Plus Financing, and Muzariba, Islamic Profit Sharing Partnership Services, by the Agricultural Development Fund with the aim of promoting agriculture and livestock development in the country. Mr. Fitrat further added that over the past year, 2,503 demonstration plots of wheat, rice, and maize were established across 34 provinces. He also noted that during the current solar year, 21,400 metric tons of wheat valued 500 million Afghanis were purchased from provinces of Balkh, Herat, Takhar, Kunduz, Baghlan, and stored in silo. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.